Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Real quick, I wanted to bring you a $6 worth of things that I bought from Dollar Tree. I did buy 3 of this craft paper rolled, and it's in the 30-inch and 15 feet. And this is brown and it's matte color. It's really pretty. I did want to wrap some gifts, and I did buy 3 of this bouquet of flowers from Dollar Tree as well. Now I wanted to come up with a DIY. This was at the last minute, guys. I thought this at the last minute, and everything here is from Dollar Tree, so it's like last minute teacher appreciation gift. And as you can see, this is the only item that's not from Dollar Tree. This is from King Dollar, but it was $125, so it was well worth the $125. These books are awesome. They retail for way more money. I got each of them for $1 or so. And to give out something like this that is so pretty for you to do and get crafty and colorful to a teacher, I think it's awesome, especially for them just to have them whenever they want to have some quiet time, or they're not doing nothing because the kids are in either gym or choir or something like that. They could maybe be doing something like this. So I decided to put up a few of these books that I actually bought from Dollar Tree and give them out to the teachers. So this is the DIY that I'm gonna actually do. The DIY is with this craft paper, which is I'm gonna use it like if I was gonna be wrapping a present. And all I'm doing here is wrapping it as if it was a gift. Of course it's a gift, right? So I didn't want it to put tape all over and the tape be noticeable, but then at the end of the I guess I was getting tired as I keep on going, so I actually end up using tape. But I was trying to actually keep it clean from the front and the back, and just leave it as is, so I can just add the flower in the middle and then the twine around it. Everything here is from Dollar Tree. The books are from Dollar Tree. The twine is actually from King Dollar because I couldn't find my Dollar Tree one, but Dollar Tree carries twine for, like, I believe it's a green one in the package. It comes with a green one and 2 like little brown ones, but you can find that at Dollar Tree as well. So all I did was put the flower and, well, actually I wrapped the twine around it. And then as I wrapped the twine around the book, I actually make sure I had the flower in the center, and then I knotted it on the corner. And then that's how I came up with the gift wrapped up with the flower. I think that's just pretty. I think that was just like simple but cute. And of course it was at the last minute. I kind of didn't want to write their name with my handwriting because it's lame. So I was like, what should I do? What should I do? And then I remember that I had these stamps from Dollar Tree, which is awesome. So here, as you can see, I use the stamps to put their name and to put with love. And I put to Mrs. Huddleston or to Mrs. Lee or so. And overall, I thought it was an awesome gift, especially the way I wrapped it. I loved it. I wish I would get something like this because it's so pretty. And then all I did was threw like a little splash of perfume just for it to have some scent and not be simple. So yeah, that's pretty much the DIY and the little haul that I wanted to show you guys. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and I hope to see you guys on my next video. Bye.